Hello and welcome to the Hit Lab. We have another unboxing video. Today we're going to show the PrioVR dev kits that we got. And as always, Rob's #1 rule of purchasing is buy 2 of everything because one will break at some point. So anyway, the PrioVR is a full body tracking system. It cost about $1,200 US, I guess. And basically you put a bunch of sensors on the body and you wear a vest, kind of a vestish type thing, and there are a bunch of sensors that you place around the body, and then it tracks your motion. Comes with some controllers or different configurations you can do. And the idea is, instead of wearing a suit or projecting things on you, you wear these inertial sensors, and there's a lot of smarts in it that kind of tell you where the different body parts are. So the box is, it's pretty interesting. So there's a bag full of some things that we'll look at, and then there are these, you can see there are 16 of these little independent sensor units. So these are the things that you put on different parts of the body, and are inertial measurement units. Then it seems like there are a bunch of cables that plug into those sensors, and then probably into some central box somewhere. I don't know yet because I'm just unboxing it. A couple more cables. Comes with some hand controllers. Again, they must plug into something. So that's interesting. We'll have to do another video once we actually have all of this running. There's 2 of those. And then, what else? This looks like there's another. This is from YOST Labs, so the whole product is from YOST Labs. We'll figure out what this is. We're not sure quite yet. And a desiccant to keep the, and there's something here. I think this is probably the, I don't know what's called, an Iron Man, the thing he wears here. And you can see there's places to plug in each one of these cables to the sensors, I'm guessing. And USB, there's some buttons. That will do more once we have some power going to it. So this bag has a bunch of different things. So this looks like a harness of some kind. I assume that this goes on, and then that thing I just had in my hand clips into here. And you wear this on the person. Yeah, okay, I'll give it a try. I'm not saying this is correct. Oh, it comes off. Never mind. Yeah, there's a couple of these things. So never do live demos. So that's that. I don't know. Oh, this goes around my waist probably. So this goes on, and then there are a bunch of these other things. Again, each one has a mounting point for a sensor. And reading the manual, when we read the manual, this looks like it straps probably around your leg, on your knees, probably. Some other things probably for your elbows, and some other straps. So yeah, this is the YOST Labs PrioVR dev kit. So we'll do another video when we have it up and running. So again, lots more fun stuff to play with. Come join us.